Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam.
I'm Jazz.
And we are back here at the Disneyland Resort. Got to do some pin trading. It's a nice, cool evening right now. Today was like a little bit of the June gloom here in Southern California. But right now it feels really nice, so we might as well get some pin trading in right now. Other than that, what else?
I think I want an ice cream.
Yeah, it's always good to get ice cream.
Or something, some kind of treat.
Sweet treat at the night. Yeah, we're definitely going to do that. And real quick guys, Yoshi, if you guys haven't seen our last video or whatever, Yoshi is a whole lot better, but unfortunately we were stuck with the bills. So if you guys are following us on Instagram, you notice that we posted some pins for sale as well.
I'm gonna pin it, well it's probably already there on like a highlight story in case you do. But thank you to everyone who purchased. Really appreciate you because he's got a bit of a road to recovery, but he's doing all right, so.
We also have a GoFundMe on there as well. And I'm going to link it down here in the description. So if you are not into buying pins or whatever, then go ahead and donate if you feel comfortable.
But again, thank you for like the DMs.
For anybody that has said anything, thank you for anybody that's made any kind of contribution towards his medical bills.
You guys don't understand. Yeah. That cat is, we're like this, so it's so hard.
That's her real treacherous twin. So.
But yeah, thank you guys.
But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it right now that's going on. A lot of you guys did like that pin video, the pin trading video from the Disney pin trading event, but it did go a little, how do I say, like people pretty much said the same thing. They all agreed on like the layout and like, a lot of people didn't really care for the $39 price as well, so yeah.
Maybe we'll try it again, maybe they'll listen to feedback or who knows. So. But
yeah, appreciate everybody that chimed in as well on that. And other than that, I made this intro way too long, so let's go.
Wait.
You're the only one that
There's also this one.
Oh, so yeah, these two and that. Yeah. Well, there's that one. Yeah, no, it's good. Oh, and there's a Thor, jeez. I don't even know what that one is.
So which ones do you want?
I ain't gonna lie, guys, that was a hell of a come up. You're right, our first board, hell yeah.
I don't think we've ever found any on a board.
Well, just that Meridi, but it was like a cash lanyard.
That was pretty epic, and it wasn't on video.
I don't know if you guys are able to see that on camera, but there's another Jack that we ended up finding too on there. And there was like another Mickey one, the one with the heart. So I was like, dang, dude, this board was stacked.
I think she just like refreshed it. I don't know.
Nothing on this one. You see anything, Jazz?
I don't know. She's like, why did you ask? No, I'm like, darn. Like, yeah, I wasn't sure if it was there for sure.
This past Tuesday, June 4th. Yeah, I believe it was June 4th. This one just came out. This Jungle Cruise entry in the series. This Chippendale one, that one's really cool. And the summer one.
It's gonna be $49.99.
Really cool. I like this one a lot, actually. One of the better ones for sure in the set. And I'm also not sure if I showed you guys this one before, but this one also came out. This burrito trio. This one retails for $17.99. So we're trying to figure out what's the move after fireworks, because we actually haven't stayed long enough for the fireworks show before, and this time we kind of have to. It's a little later on in the night, but
I'm trying to find a dessert to like kill time or something that's not on Main Street. It's not looking good.
I just want to tell you guys a quick little story about Jazz. Today she ended up having kava for lunch, right? Because the one by our place in Fullerton just opened up, and I told her, yeah, go ahead, go get it, because I was at work.
I didn't ask permission, first of all. Okay.
All right, fair enough. I gave her permission though. Anyways, so she was like, could I add this scoop of...
No. See, they wanted, because I'm obsessed with their crazy feta there.
She's crazy for her.
Yeah, I added it as a side, and on the website it shows this big, like, dish of crazy feta. So I added it, and it was $4 and something cents. I'll show you the picture. And then when I got it, I didn't see it till I like got in the car. And this was the size they gave me. I paid $4 and something cents for that.
It's like the little ketchup cup,
Yeah,
little dipping cups.
Which is like and I think because they just opened,
I was
so
like,
they messed up.
they got her. We got him.
Don't worry, I already complained.
Yeah,
I wrote an email. Because, like, come on, $4. I was excited because we had pita chips at home. I was like, oh, I'm going to eat this, like, all week with my pita chips. No, I finished it already.
So, yeah. My question here to you guys is, do you guys get f***ed over by food places?
Because I do all the time.
And if so, where? Alright, guys, so we ended up catching the end of Phantasmic over here. But we got a nice little view with an ice cream. Jasmine got her little rocky road. I was a heathen today and got a double scoop in the cone. I never get the cones. I always get the cups.
I know.
But
We like literally switched.
yeah, she always.
But there was a waffle cup. So
yeah, that looks so good, Jazz. I can't even lie.
you don't even like Rocky Road.
I don't.
You'll see that they're just beautiful cars.
Yeah, so far the sports next out and like they're all.
So we said we were gonna do this and we found them. Buy 2 packs, Jazz. But did say that if we saw these, we were gonna buy them today.
You said that.
I did. But we really want
A super chaser.
super chase. Everybody's pulling them out like
Except
crazy.
us.
So are they really super chases? Or are these chases at that point? Anyways, go ahead, Jazz. Do the opening.
What did I just say?
You said no shirt. Okay, well I don't have that one.
Okay. Oh, it's a good one.
Okay, nice. Black Widow and
Adam really does not
I
like
do
Black
not
Widow.
like the Black Widow character at all. Ooh, Namisha.
Dang it.
This is exactly what you said you didn't want.
I know.
T-shirts. Another one? I'm just kidding.
No.
Alright guys, so that's what we ended up getting. Let us know if you like the haul. It's always good to do unboxings. Hell yeah. Just found another one. Wait, yeah. Wait. Yeah, that's one right there. But
That's Starbucks questions actually.
Oh,
So
yeah.
it'll be Earl Grey.
Okay.
No, it'll be matcha. Or English vanilla bean is the medium. Which number 1 through 10?
4.
In Aladdin, after they take the magic carpet ride, what country do Jasmine and Aladdin end up in, where they watch the fireworks?
Agrabah?
No, China. You can do another question, another number.
China? I didn't know that.
Oh,
No.
he's a dragon.
Oh,
China
I
is the answer, yeah.
China, yeah.
They
Oh.
watch the fireworks.
Yeah. I haven't seen that in a
I haven't seen the movie either.
Yeah.
Another number.
6.
What was the first full-length animated feature film, and what year was it released?
Was it Snow
Snow
White?
White?
Yeah,
1940?
1937. I think it's good enough.
Okay.
It's just like, and then we have like pins in there, and you have an opportunity to trade them.
No, I'm okay on those.
Thank
But,
you.
yeah, thank you. That was really fun.
Thank you.
Hello, how's it going?
Hello. Okay.
Do you have any trivia questions? Okay, I'll try one.
Do you want Mickey, Parks, or movie?
Movie? What a movie?
Pixar or Disney?
Pixar, please.
What's the name of Andy's little sister from Toy Story?
Molly?
Yeah.
You good on that one, Jazz? Or you want that one?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
And just like that, Jazz and I are back home. The parks are pretty empty right now, which was kind of weird for Sunday night. I don't know. We just don't really go on the weekends, so we actually kind of can't really gauge that, how it normally is. But to us, it was pretty empty, especially after the fireworks.
There's
But,
no security line, no line for the tram.
we got there at like close to 8, but so it was a great time, honestly. So yeah, these are what we ended up finding on the boards for today. Go ahead. There you go. Not too bad. Nothing but hidden Mickeys or hidden Disneys. So I'm rocking with this for sure. Definitely, I don't know. I like feel like I probably should have grabbed that other Jack Jack or even that Heart Mickey in favor of this one because I didn't realize that we already had this one. But yeah. So and then these are the ones that we ended up buying in those packs. Well, you know, you guys know what I mean. So yeah, this was a very heavy hidden Disney driven day.
For once.
Yeah, which is actually what we've been wanting to do. So the fact that we were able to finally score some packs really helped. But yeah, I mean, other than that, like we were really excited to have that stuff. And as you guys saw on the first board, I was extremely loaded. Like I really couldn't believe it, and Jazz neither. So I'm just glad we were able to get that before the person behind us. So anyways, hope you guys have a great one for the rest of the week. Hope you guys take it easy like we will hopefully be doing. Anything else, Jazz? No? Yeah, that's it. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Christmas with Z.